Let's start in the front of the mat, your feet about hip distance apart. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, send your arms back. Interlace your fingers, extend your arms back and away from your lower back, chest is up. Breathe. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Left leg is your base. Bend the right knee up. Inhale and exhale, send the right leg back. Create a nice long stride. Find the foundation for warrior one. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, send your arms back. Interlace your fingers, extend your arms down and back, away from your lower back. Inhale, chest is up. Exhale, release your hands. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, bend the elbows, send the right forearm to your lower back, and then the other arm over that forearm. Grab your elbow, your upper arms. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, release your hands to your heart, and bring the back foot forward. Other side. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. This time, right leg is your base. Bend the left knee and up. Send the knee up. Exhale, left leg back, long stride to find the foundation for warrior one. Inhale, bring your arms up, chest is up. Exhale, send your arms back, interlace your fingers, extend your arms down and away from your lower back, chest is up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend the elbows. This time, left arm to your lower back, the other arm over your forearm, left forearm, grab your elbows, your forearm, chest is up. Release, inhale. Exhale, hands to heart center, bring the foot forward, come both feet to the front of the mat. And let's continue flowing. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. This time, send the left foot back, long stride to find your position for warrior two. You open your hips to the side, your arms are to the side, gaze forward. Stay in a place where you feel it's just a little challenge for you. Engage the left glute. Breathe here. Inhale, reverse warriors. Front arm up and back. Gaze to your hand. Bend the back elbow and bring it to your lower back. Create a gentle bind. Now, with your hands, grab your fingers. Send the right elbow back. The left shoulder to your back. Inhale, reverse triangle, extend the front leg. And as you exhale, come back to the front of the mat again, and we will do the other side. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, arms up. This time you send the right leg back, long stride to find the position for your warrior two. So make sure you are in a position that is a little challenge for you. Extend the arms to the side. Your hips are opening to the side. You gaze forward. Squeeze the right glute. Inhale. Exhale. And then the next inhale, reverse warrior. Front arm up and back. Bend the back elbow, send it to your lower back. And the front arm, just interlace your fingers and keep sending that front elbow to your back and the back shoulder to your back, opening your shoulders. Inhale, extend the front leg, reverse the triangle. And as you exhale, bend the front knee, just come to the front of the mat again, mountain pose, with your hands in your heart. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. This time, send the left foot back, to find the long stride again. That'll be challenge for you. Make sure the front knee is bent and the back leg is long. You are in the ball of your foot, crescent lunge. Breathe here, inhale. And now exhale, just bend the back knee down and up. Down and up. Down and up. And last one, down and up. Hands to your heart and then come to the front of the mat. We will do the other side. This time you send the right foot back, long stride, find your crescent lunge, that'll be challenge for you. Inhale, arms up. And then knee back, down and up. down and up, down and up, down and up. Inhale, exhale, hands to your heart, and just come to the front of the mat. And that's all for today. Both hands, just come to Samadhi, both hands into your heart, and just take a moment here. Close your eyes and breathe.